Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are fine there. Please stay safe, take care. Today we are going to learn about adjectives. Actually, adjectives means they are the words which explain or which describe about the quality, quantity, or whatever it may be. Whether it may be a shape, size, color, or quality or quantity. The word which describes about a noun, okay? The word which describes about a noun is called adjective. And now let us, in this chapter, let us see the different types of or kinds of adjectives, okay? Now come to the point. Types of adjectives, this is part 1. Today we are going to learn part 1. Adjectives. An adjective is a word used to qualify a noun or a pronoun. Okay, it is a word which is used to qualify a noun, whether it may be a noun or a pronoun. Okay, so that is a word which is used to qualify a noun or pronoun. Noun means whether it may be a person, place, animal, bird, or a thing. Noun or pronoun means the word which is used to describe a noun or a pronoun, that is known as adjective. And that in the place of noun or pronoun, it may be a person, place, animal, whether it may be a bird or thing. Okay, whatever it may be, which describe about these things, that is known as adjective. And now let us come to the example. Word which tells us about a noun. Okay, whether it may be a nouns, color, shape, size, number, quality or quantity. Okay, whether it may be a nouns, color, shape, size, quality or quantity, number or whatever it may be, which describe about these things. Okay, which describes about the nouns, these, quality or quantity, color, shape or size, that comes under adjective. And now let us come to the example. She is an intelligent girl. And one more thing here, in this adjectives describe how much, how many, okay, how much, how many, how much, or what type or what color or what size or what quality. Okay, it explains about these things. So here she is an intelligent girl. Girl is a noun and intelligent is an adverb. Okay, as usual we all of you know that girl is a noun. And girl's quality, here it is describing about girls. It says about the girl's quality, intelligent girl. So intelligent is the adjective. This is the adjective and this is a noun. I need some water. See, some. Water is noun and some is adjective. Some, quality. It tells about the water's quality, girl's quality. Next is Arun wrote 2 mails. Mail is noun. And how many mails? It describes about the noun. It describes about the mail. Okay, it expresses the number, describes the number. So this is adjective. It tells about this noun. 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 So the word which describes about noun is known as an adjective. Okay, and next is adjectives can occur before noun. They may occur before noun, they may occur after the noun. So adjectives occur before the noun. And let us see through the example what kind of adjective is known as, what is the use of these adjective when it comes before the noun. Of course, that is known as attribute use. The adjective which is used before the noun is known as attribute use. See, Varu is a strong boy. Actually, we know about a sentence. Varu is a strong boy. In this sentence, this is subject. And whatever the words after the subject, they comes under the predicate. This is the predicate. Okay, whatever the words after the noun, after the subject, that is known as predicate, that comes under predicate. So now here this is subject, this is verb, okay, this is verb, subject, verb. After verb we have strong boy. See, this is noun and this is adjective, okay, this is adjective. So before noun we have the adjective, so this is known as attributive use. Attributive use, this comes under attributive use. The noun, the adjective which is before the noun, the adjective which is before the noun is known as attributive use, okay, that is attributive use. For example, the other example, he is a brave soldier. He is a brave, see, brave soldier. Soldier is noun and brave is adjective. This is the quality of a soldier, okay, this is the about the soldier. So this is the quality of a soldier, so that's why it is known as adjective, brave soldier. And it is subject, after it is, as it is after the no, as it is before, as it is, as this adjective is before the noun, so before the noun, that's why this comes under attributive use. As it is, as this adjective is before noun, that's why it is known as attributive use. And next let us see what is known as the adjective which is used after the verb. What does it known? Let us see. Adjectives can occur after a verb. See, occur after a verb. This is before a noun, before a noun. And next let us know about the adjective which is used after the noun, after the verb. Sorry children. Sheru is intelligent. Sheru is intelligent. Is, see, this is subject, this is verb, and after verb we have adjective. This is telling about Sheru. How is Sheru? Sheru is intelligent, okay, this is telling, this is after the verb. As this adjective is after the verb, adjective after a verb. So, and next, in next sentence also, see, he was industrious. This is subject, this is verb, and this is adjective after a verb. Adjective after a verb, okay, adjective after a verb. Then as these adjectives are after a verb, it is known as predicative use, okay, predicative use. The adjective which is used before the noun is known as attributive use. The adjective which is used after the verb is known as predicative use. And next let us see, some adjectives occur before the adverbs. Yes, see, already adjectives qualify the noun, it modifies, it tells that about the noun. And now here we see some adjectives occur before the adverbs. Yes, adjectives also, they may come before the adverbs also. Let us see what are they. Very, more, most. Not only these, there are many things. Very soft, very intelligent. See, very soft, very intelligent, more beautiful, extremely impressed, quite difficult. There are many adverbs which comes before the adjective. So these are the adverbs. These are the adverbs which occur before a. These are the adverbs which occur before the adjective. Okay. Next is kinds of adjectives. So there are so many kinds of adjectives are there. And what are they? Descriptive adjective. Descriptive adjective which describes whether it may be a quality or a shape, size, what it may be. Later in the next unit let us see what is a descriptive adjective. Next is quantitative. Quantity. The word itself tells us the quantitative means it explains, it describes about the quantity, how much. Quantitative adjective. Next is numeral. Yes, the word itself tells us that it describes about the number. Next, demonstrative. Yes, demonstrative, this, that, okay, demonstrative adjective, okay. showing this and that. Distributive, yes, distribution, some, more, many, much. Distributive adjective. Next, interrogative adjective, questioning. Interrogation means questioning. Interrogative adjective, exclamatory, yes, exclamation marks. Okay, exclamatory, that means sudden, surprisingly, when we use the words sudden, strong feeling. Exclamatory. Possessive, yes, whose, mine, her, his. Possessive adjective. Then proper noun adjective, yes, proper noun, name of a man, name of a person, thing, place, or whatever it may be, that comes under proper. Emphasizing, yes, see, emphasizing adjective, yes, emphasizing, that means strongly. When we tell about something strongly, that comes under emphasizing. So these are the types, these are the kinds of adjectives, and let us learn about these adjectives in the further later units. I hope you understood, and I request you people to watch more, read more, learn more, because this is very important unit. Whenever you go for competitive examinations, you have to face all kinds of grammar. So please learn more, keep smiling. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.